Why?
So we have more room. You smell that though?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's not bad though.
It smells like a speedboat engine, right?
Yeah, but it's not bad.
No, it's not like smog.
I just would rather not get much attention from this air.
Well, I'll leave it after this anyway. We have to heat it up first. It'll run faster because the computer's not. It's confused about all the new parts. I think it's stock still.
Oh,
so it actually runs faster and better if it's the engine's hot. So I'm just gonna run it down here. Okay, the fuel air mixture it works better if its engine's hotter.
No, maybe you should turn the music off because
I don't know if it's low enough. It's so loud.
on YouTube they don't like, they might not let you have it if it's got heat. Okay, so you want me to put it up?
Now, yeah. All right, you ready?
No, this is the hospital.
Oh, we gotta wait for you to go. Oh, okay.
I mean, old people might be pulling in or something.
Oh, whatever. You ready now?
No, because they're coming out here after heart procedures.
Oh, no, we're good. Okay, you ready?
Well, you know, okay.
You ready?
Yeah. Oh, God. Oh, man.
Okay, that was good.
Oh. Oh, look, it's our friends.
Is that Ryan?
Yeah, Ryan.
I'm gonna go say hi to him.
Huh, yeah, huh? Say, hey, Ryan.
I'm gonna follow him. It's fine. You're not. No, let's wait.
Okay.